Welcome to Science Plus Plus. Today I will discuss about Cartesian system. What is Cartesian system? What is x-axis? What is y-axis? What is origin? What is point? And quadrants. It is a 2D plane or also known as xy plane. XY plane has x-axis, y-axis, origin, points. X-axis, it is a horizontal line. Y-axis, it is a vertical line. Origin, it is an intersection point of x-axis and y-axis. It is also known as reference point. It is denoted by O. Point, it is an exact location. It has no size. It has no direction. It is denoted by dot. Written as P of x, y is an ordered pair. P of x, y is equal to not P of y, x. Here order is important. Quadrants and sign convention. In first quadrant, sign plus plus. In second quadrant, sign minus plus. In third quadrant, sign minus minus. In fourth quadrant, sign plus minus. Number line representation on x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly for y-axis, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. Now you can do these things, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. Love you all.